Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's sure to make your travels more convenient and enjoyable. We found this portable mini refrigerator online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Introducing the portable mini refrigerator, a compact 12V car fridge designed not just for keeping your food fresh but also for storing your favorite cosmetics and skincare products. With a 6-liter large capacity, it's the perfect companion for road trips, picnics, or even just long days at work. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this mini fridge. First up, its versatility. This fridge can not only keep your items cool but also warm them up. Whether you need to store beverages during a family road trip or keep your makeup at the ideal temperature, this fridge has you covered. It operates on 12V power for your vehicle or can be plugged into a household outlet with a transformer that supports 100V to 240V, making it incredibly adaptable. Another significant advantage is its low noise operation. The semiconductor design ensures that it runs quietly, so you won't have to deal with annoying hums or buzzing sounds, making it perfect for use in a car or in a bedroom. It's lightweight and portable, which means you can easily move it from your car to your home or office without any hassle. When it comes to materials, this fridge is made of durable PVC, designed to withstand wear and tear over time. It's energy efficient too, which means that you can keep your items cool or warm without worrying too much about your power consumption. Now, who is this product suitable for? It's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road, whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy parent, or a beauty enthusiast who needs a reliable way to store skincare products. If you enjoy camping, tailgating, or simply need a cool drink on a hot day, this mini fridge is a fantastic addition to your gear. Imagine taking this portable fridge on a long road trip, keeping drinks cold for the kids, or having your favorite snacks within arm's reach. It's also great for those who work in offices or settings where access to a refrigerator is